Hey, what's up, Chaliz holder? What's up, my millionaire brother? Today video is going to be very special for Chaliz holder because Chaliz is completely falls down. Absolutely very badly falls down, and a lot of people and the loss because he sell it. So this is not a selling time. Exactly, I explained in this video. You can see here our target. What is our target in upcoming days? This chart make a crypto master. Absolutely 3-year experience, my friend, and very special for everyone. So please, I explain in this video, and also I will show you the live result to what's going on, going on in upcoming days in a challenge. So this is what's my prediction. Absolutely very important, my friends. Let's get started this brand video. I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new for more this type informative video. Please click out the red button, please, and also like this video if you enjoyed. If this video is informative for you, then please like this video. Thank you so much, guys. First of all, if you can see here, they take a very high jump. You can see here in the graph result. This time they take a very high jump, but after that very high jump, they fails down very fastly. You can see here they fails down very fastly. This is the highest point of this chart. You can see here. So this is very good chart. You can see here this time after they take a very high jump, they fails down completely, my friend, and everyone decide to this is selling time. I think this is very bad decision. You can see here they take a small jumps, but after again they take a very high badly falls down, my friend. And the average, as you can see here, they again, you can see here the average as here the mid. You can see here the mid, the average is what, just a minute, and the average is minus 0.63692. You can see here this is the major midpoint resistance. You can see here. So after that they take again very high jump. Again you can see here, but remember, after a high jump they absolutely falls down, and after falls they take a very high jump. This is formula, everyone understand. You can see here the resistance point after they take a very high jump. You can see here they are an equal with the highest point. You can see here. So this is our target. I hope our target is very high. Let's see what is our target. Our target, as you can see here, 1.3275 at US dollar. What you say, can they can cross it? I hope they can cross it. This time, if you can see here, they can easily cross it, our target. But I am going to show you to the latest result to what's going on in the challenge. This is absolutely very important for everyone. So my friends, please like this video and subscribe if you need more this type informative. Hope you learned something new from the chart, because the chart is very important, my friend. Okay, you can see here on the last 24-hour challenge is completely falls down. I already talked you. You can see here, after very bad falls, they take a very high jump. So I think this time you can see here the price increased to 1.6 something, like, and absolutely they can cross $1 US just in upcoming month. So let's open it to Chiliz. After a very bad fall, exactly they can take a jump. They're ready for take a jump or not. You can see here the Chiliz latest news and updates. This time you can see here I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour to what's going on in the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, I am exactly right. I tell you, my brother, and in the chart result today going up. So I am right. They starting moving up like a rocket. You can see here minus plus 0.25%. They going up. Congratulations for everyone. 0.64457 US dollar as the latest price. So the latest price is going up, my friend. They are starting increasing. They are starting jumping. We are ready for the moon. Chaliz holder, be ready for the moon. We are go for the moon. I think the good time is coming for Chaliz holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news. So my prediction today going up. What you say, please tell me. If you are agree with me, then like this video, because I show you at the chart. This is the master. This is the master make us, okay? So please understand, my friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and update. I hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Please complete my 10,000 subscriber. I very appreciating this if you subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.